Good morning, Vlogmas day 22, is it? Yeah. You're just not going to believe where we are. We don't believe it because it's just happened very suddenly. But we are on a horse-drawn carriage going around our area. Wonderful. Can you see the horses?
What do you reckon, yeah?
Can you meet the horses quick? Hello guys, thank you.
Enjoy that, Gabby.
I love that, thank you so much. It's really lovely. Happy Christmas. Hello everyone. Oh, that was so amazing and very unexpected, honestly. So our local deli is run by the loveliest guy Lee, and it's Truffles Deli. I've shown you at the front. It's just beautiful. It's such a wonderful place, and he does so much for our community, and one of them is every year, apparently we didn't know till today, he brings a horse-drawn carriage for people to hire for just a little jaunt around the area, and it was maybe 20 minutes I think, but it was so lovely. It was a really kind of just such a treat. So yeah, Steve and I are really buzzing from that. On the way to that, I did manage to get completely just had a really silly accident where I walked out into of quite a quiet street that normally, you know, I wouldn't really mind about, but a bike was coming past, so kind of went into me and my leg, but I was really scared that it would affect the baby, and had a real emotional breakdown, to be honest. But it's all okay. It's just scary. It's just everything scary. But apart from that, we're off to lunch in a bit. We're still tidying the flat. As you can see, there's like, you know, clothes on the rail again, and we're trying to sort through things. It's going to take us a few days, so we're just going to do a bit where we can. At least we've got somewhere lovely to be for Christmas at my parents', so it's not the end of the world if it's not done before then. But yeah, we're just kind of trying to get through that, lovely little unexpected festive things are happening all the time, which is wonderful. I also have some posts to show you, so let's do that now. Okay, right, I'm up on the bed. We have a very high bed, so I have to like get myself up there. First of all, I've talked about it on my Vlogmas before, but Barbara from Rocking Stitch, my lovely friend and also business partner with Gabberdashery Patterns, has sent me her seamstress gauge. So I know that they are sold out now, but they will be back in stock and they're amazing. Seamstress gauge. I love the cork little holder you get, and you get a little kind of guide, which is really cute. And here's the actual pièce de résistance. Hopefully you can see it okay. Yeah, there you are. Isn't it amazing? I love it. I'm so thankful. Thank you so much, Barbara. And a very happy Christmas to you, Barbara. I absolutely loved your note as well. The other thing I got included some chocolate. Yay! And that is the first magazine from So Hayley Jane. And it's a really lovely magazine that she does with her subscription boxes. And I just love it. It's so beautifully laid out and really amazing photography. I'm just such a sucker for nice fonts and nice layout and things. I'm a bit of a graphic designer in my head, and so yeah, I think it's really beautifully laid out. It looks amazing. There's an interview with Joy from the Pink Coat Club, who we all love, of course. She's wonderful. And people that have used her boxes and kind of showing what they've made. There's a Wim Wam Buttons advert, and I love Wim Wam Buttons. And then Hayley's pattern pics. But isn't it just so pretty? It's such a gorgeous magazine. It's just a really lovely little community magazine that it's really nice to get. So thank you so much, Hayley. A very happy Christmas to you too. So yeah, we are very much in the rundown. I have loads to do, so I'm going to stop talking about post and get on with it, and I will see you in a bit. Bye! Nikki's here! My sister all the way from Manchester. All the way from Manchester. I'm really happy that you're home for Christmas. I'm very happy that I'm home for Christmas, Gabby. And Georgie's here! Hello! And you all know... all the way from London! And Georgie, what is your subject matter?
My subject matter?
Home and away.
You know we belong together.
And you know Dad, and you know Stephen, and you probably can't hear me over the noise, but this is my lovely extended family. It's my Aunt Jane, my cousins Jenny and Lou, and there's Joe at the end, and Tony. Say hi! I can't wait for bring our kid here. Absolutely amazing. Gonna have a little sit down. So right now I'm sitting in a boat that is a bookshop and it is amazing. It's just near King's Place, near Granary Square in King's Cross. We've never been here before and we're just completely delighted by it. It's so beautiful. Stephen, do you want to live here?
I think we kind of already do.
Yeah. Wow, it does feel like our flat.
Bookshelves in the corner.
Let's see.
How did you move around? This is
Oh,
such
yeah.
a beautiful boat.
It's stunning. Yeah, it does feel like our flat on water. So, what are we doing, Stephen?
We're finding out whether the books are covered in a fine layer of dust.
Like the rest of the flat. I think
so far so good.
yeah, I know. Fingers crossed.
Which is scary.
You guys are going to love my get-up. I keep fogging up my glasses. But yeah, this is really exciting actually because
we took
have been-
about a day
Yeah.
covering the entire bookcase
Yeah.
before the builders got here.
and we've been tidying the flat for 2 days straight and we're getting to this bit which is very exciting. Yay, we'll show you when it's all done. We're taking down the last bit and it's actually gone really well.
It's amazing how much brighter this room is.
I know, it really is. And also we've been quite happy with what we found, haven't we, darling?
Well, we've not found very much dust, which is
Oh,
really,
we're
really
so relieved. So yes.
good. I'm so happy about that. Thank you
Yay!
very much.
Yeah, I was the book saviour because I actually had to
really did.
force him to do all
I
this.
was like a grumpy 5-year-old.
He was very, very tired after a long day's work and I was like, we need to cover the books, Stephen. So I'm really happy we did because look how beautiful they all are. Yay.
So, 20-second.
Oh, it is, isn't it? Okay, where? Oh gosh. Look at that, there's only the 3 left. The 3 little bears.
Thought something bad had happened then.
No. Oh, this is a lovely surprise. I'm very much in my bed, as you can tell.
Listen to how heavy that snowfall is outside.
Sadly, it's rain. When you whisk, or wish, no wish, sorry. Okay, it's very early. When you wish upon a star, when you wish, oh, you were singing it, upon a star, you'll parallel trace the shape you are. When you wish, it is whisk, isn't it? That's okay, right? Or is it an H? Upon a star, your dreams come true. You're not giving me anything away, I can tell, but I think that's a K, and it's something to do with a whisk instead. Okay. Oh, okay. My leg is really sore, so I have to like. Thank you. I'm such an invalid. Okay. So I think I'm going to go to the kitchen for this one. Our flat's nearly back to normal. Apart from the fact that, oh, yes. Oh, awesome. Oh, that's so clever. Another sewing thing. It's a parallel tracing wheel. Do you know, I mean, honestly, sweetheart, you have no idea. I've been saying in my Vlogmas, and I know you haven't seen it. because it might have been something to do with something I was making someone that you might know. I was saying I need something like this. I need, because it's really helpful when you're doing seam allowances. That is really cool. Thank you so much, my love. You wonderful thing. Oh. How do you spell whisk, Stephen?
I don't genuinely know what a whisk is.
Okay guys, so I've been really bad at signing off, so I am going to say goodnight to this Vlogmas, and I'm going to leave you in the very capable hands of my lovely sister, who had just been out at the pub, I hear, doing the doggy advent calendar. So here's her and Hobbs and Tigger. Night night everyone, see you tomorrow. Bye!
Hi, it's day 22 of the Christmas calendar and Hobbs just can't wait. So let's open it up for you, and we got Tiggs there as well, who would really like a treat. Day 22, Hobbs. You gonna shake my hat? Thank you. Okay, here we go. Day 22. What's in here? Oh, it's a treat. Oh, what's here? Is this one for you, Tiggles? Yay. Happy Christmas.